Okay. Hi, my name's Brendan. I'm here to bloody tell you about to fight against the government and stand up to democracy. Stand up to the government. Fight for democracy. Oh. First I'll be giving you a rundown about Libya. Alright? The truth about Libya. Libya is being attacked and invaded for its oil, water, gold and position in the Middle East bordering Africa. Gaddafi is not a monster, but there is a lie to justify the invasion. He was given a humanitarian award by the UN in November 2010, but they cancelled the ceremony due in March 2011 when NATO started bombing Libya. The US/NATO attack is a result of years of planning and work by the CIA, M16 and the NATO governments. Fuck the governments! The Western powers are destroying Gaddafi and Libya because they were leading a pan-African economic development independent of the IMF and World Bank, and the US doesn't allow that. You know what? I'd say fuck the banks. They don't know what they're fucking doing. Libya was a rich, independent nation with free education, including universities, free healthcare, and governments assisting in housing, jobs, food subsidies, and income support. And that's what we need. Gaddafi built the great man-made river over decades, a massive pipeline to provide water to the cities and to the desert, which was developing agriculture in the desert to make Libya a huge food producer. You know, I would say fuck the government. They don't know what they're fucking doing. Alright, there's a lot more to this. Alright. My first topic is going to be about poverty. Alright. You know what? Poverty. People out there in the third world countries are fucking starving to death. Well, you got the fucking government sitting back like this. Thinking, you know what? I don't give a fuck about the bloody government. You know, I'm fucking. But you know what? The government aren't fucking helping. They're spending bloody $35 million fucking, building structures. What's that gonna help? You need food, you need water, you need clothes, supplies. Alright, you don't need these fucking dicks bloody wasting their time. You know, it's fucking ridiculous. Help the bloody poor people. Back then, they would travel miles just to get water. And it would be dirty water. And the supplies weren't as, they weren't as clean. Right, but now, you've got people, you got these dickheads that blame the government thinking, we'll help them, and they go over there, but they're not helping enough, are they? Right. Next up, the banks. Alright, NAB. I'll tell you what, fucking NAB, alright, is taking over the banks. Right, NAB's here, and then you got Commonwealth and Bank of fucking St. George and whatever, and they're all surrounding NAB. NAB's taking over the fucking banks. Fuck you, NAB, alright? All they do bloody, those bloody cunts think, I'm fucking, I don't give a fuck about, the other banks. I'm just sitting there bloody waving away my money, counting my pennies. Why don't you count your pennies, mate? Because NAB is taking over the bank. Mate, what about us? I'm a banker saying myself. Alright, and I've been in there for bloody months now, and it's been fine to me. They supply what I need. Alright, they know their service. Listen to me, people. NAB, do not join NAB. Alright? And if you are with NAB, break up with them and join another bank, because they say this. Join NAB and fuck the other banks. You know what? That's ridiculous. Alright? I'll fuck that for a start. Because NAB is just taking over the other banks. The money we need, NAB are bloody stealing all the money, and we need that money for poverty, the poor people, and the other country. What the fuck you think you're doing, NAB? What about Commonwealth? They've got the same rights as we do, as Bank of and all that. And St. George, oh God. Well, they're just fucking, and Bendigo's Bank, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of them, you know. And we'll all be, you know, we're playing hostage by this bait NAB. It's fucking ridiculous. I'll break up with NAB if I were you. And then you got bloody democracy. You know what? I used to hate democracy, but you know what? I hate the government. So actually, I want democracy. Everyone wants democracy. We want it back. Say no to the government and say yes to democracy. We want that back. It was ours. It was stolen by the government, and we've been placed in this situation where now think, oh, you know, fucking the government think, oh, we'll just join forces with NAB, you know, we can play the game, you know, what the fuck, you know, bloody. You know, democracy is ours. It's the freedom we have to the people we are. For the people, as the people. When, you know what I mean. For the people, alright? We need this. I mean, it's true enough, alright, bloody. Democracy is ours. We could have that freedom. We need that freedom. Alright? You know, what about, here we go again with the banks. And they don't have enough money to, what, do you want to just go down to buy the fucking latest HD television? What, you know, you haven't got the money, fucking hear bar people around. You know, what do they know anything about democracy? We all want democracy, but it's like fucking government, politics, locked up in their office, fucking making stupid little rules. I'll tell you what, they fucking don't know anything. Alright. And to finish, well, I could have more to tell you about, but let me just sing you a song, alright? It's a song about democracy and banks. And so there was NAB, and there was the others, Commonwealth and Bankerside, and so on and so on. And then NAB stole the fucking bankers away from us. The power, the freedom, the money we need. So please help the poor. You know, this is the way it has been. And all those, we rape the forest. Alright? We fucking own, the state, think about it. I'm in Queensland, they got bloody wells, they keep digging wells, and that's about 70% of that dirty water, that chemical water is going through the wells. Think about it. And there's about 50 or more over Queensland. Think how much chemicals is coming through. It's enough to kill the bloody country, or at least that state. So that's, fucking government should, and what about the pollution in the water, in the sea? All the little fishies swimming around, and then they'd be, all the people polluting the rubbish. You know what? Maybe we should have a barrier in the sea to stop the bloody rubbish going out to the fishes. It's just killing them. It's fucking ridiculous. The fishes have a life too, Alright, fuck the sharks. They just fucking, they're swimming bloody miles out from Queensland border, whatever. Alright, us Aussies, we're white men, alright? We own the country. And there's something else I was going to say, but I'm not going to say. But we own the country, and I say this, okay? Fuck the government and stand up to make a stand. Please, hear me out, people, and just let's take democracy back. Let's take back what is ours. Thank you. Oh God. I think we get this right. Okay.